Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel again. I know it's been so long, but this time I am in Heidelberg and I will take you to a castle, so stay with me. People who don't know, Ishrak is one. So Ishrak is my childhood friend. We were together in Pakistan. We studied together in a boarding school.
Wow.
So how are you, Ishrak?
I'm famous now, yes.
Yes. You are our guide today or what?
No, I have no idea.
The castle in Heidelberg is one of the most famous castles in Germany. So if you are here in Heidelberg, this is a must. And you can see the castle from the top. When you are entering the city, you can see the castle actually. There is Mr. Ishrak who is walking and enjoying the view. Now we are inside the castle. And it's amazing. Wow. Okay. Now this is the view. You guys will love this view. I have just two tickets for the castle because to enter in the castle you need to buy the ticket. So I have bought two tickets for me and Ishrak, and also because I'm a student, so I have a discount. So the ticket is usually 11 euros for adults, but because I'm a student, so I paid 5 euros per ticket. Here are the tickets to enter inside the castle. Guys, just look at this view. It's amazing. One of the most famous spot in the castle, because from here you can see the whole city.
We've decided to make an aisle walk, so if you want to be in the...
Seems like someone is getting married here, and I think it's a very nice spot to get married. Behind me you can see entrance of the brewery, which was specially for the king who used to live here. Ishrak is expert here, so Ishrak is going to take me on a guided tour, so let's go with Ishrak.
The place we are entering, this is actually beer brewery.
Okay.
So people used to make the beer, and the tank we are seeing,
Yeah.
actually
It's a beer tank.
it's a beer tank. It used to be like that. No, and specially designed for the king. And
Okay.
I'm just giving misinformation.
Yeah. Right now I'm standing on the tank which I showed you, the tank which used to store the beer for the king.
Very premium wording they are doing.
This is the German Apotheke Museum. Now I am in a pharmacy which used to be a pharmacy for the kings, and medicines used to be made here.
in this jar. Where do ceramics come from? Okay. So, is that a unicorn? Yes and no. Unicorn power was indeed sold as medicine.
In old times, people used to create medicine or even cosmetics from the crocodile. And behind me you can see a crocodile. It is here because they are trying to show it. Like in the olden times, they used to create medicines with these crocodiles. In India or Pakistan, this is also still used to grind the medicine or even some spices. So we call it as hakundi danda, but I don't know what it's called here.
Multiple compartment was one of the showpiece of the pharmacy. This is pharmacy. This jar contains a selection of exotic spices that were sold in pharmacies both as medical products and for cooking as well. Wow. Nutmeg, mace, cloves, cinnamon, then cardamom, ginger. Come here. You can see more detailed picture here. So these are the spices. Wow.
Pharmacy in German, it's called Apotheke. So behind me you can see it's written Apotheke. So basically it's mean pharmacy.
Of course, technology. परफ्यूम लगाना
Ishak is trying so many different perfumes.
ये बच्चों के सीखने के लिए
This is the outside of the castle, and you can see behind me it's destroyed, and it was destroyed during the World War, and then also due to some thunderstorms. Right now I'm outside the castle.